Good day, Sir Blase. My name is Jomi B. Villanueva, and I'm here today to discuss my research journal about municipal solid waste landfill site selection with geographic information system and analytical hierarchy process, a case study in Mazahar Country, Iran. For introduction, one of the most difficult tasks faced by most communities in planning solid waste landfills is finding suitable sites for new landfills. Disposal of waste through landfill is an inevitable element of all solid waste management system. Even if all activities for reduction, reuse, and recycling are planted, there will always be a need for land disposal of a residual proportion of waste produced originally. So, in this study, utilize geographic information systems and the analytical hierarchy process to identify the optimal sites for disposing of municipal solid waste in Mazahar Country, Iran. Landfill selection. Mazahar Country has a high population growth rate and is located at sensitive coastal areas in the southwest Iran. It is the center of the petrochemical industry in Iran. Three cities and about 100 villages are located in this area. The population of this area is 250,000, which is projected to reach 400,000 by 2035, owing to the growing petrochemical industry and the sea transformation activities in this area. Hierarchy structure for the landfill site selection problem. The main factors that are important in the setting of municipal solid waste landfills were determined in the first step. They were divided to three categories: environmental, sociocultural, and technical economical factors. Some criteria and sub-criteria were defined for each of these factors. They were chosen according to the standards and regulation of landfill setting in Iran. Municipalities of Masahar area are faced with an annual increase in the volume of municipal solid waste as a result of the growth rate of population. Dumping municipal solid waste is one of the main public health problems and environmental pollution in the sensitive and strategic area of Iran. Surface water. Surface water is important parameter for landfill seating in this area because there are some important rivers such as Sore and Jarahari, which are the main sources of domestic and agriculture water supplies. Masahar Country Ecos Masahar Country is located in the vicinity of sun-sensitive areas such as Shagidin wetland, coastal areas, and a lot of estuary areas, for example, Musa Estuary. There are sensitive ecosystem. Land cover. Land cover is an important criterion in landfill seating because landfill operation, such as drilling, leads to the destruction of land cover. Rural and urban areas. In order to protect public health, landfill sites should not be located near residential areas. According to Iran Department of Environment and Guideline, disposal of municipal solid waste at a distance less than 10 km from residential areas is not allowed. Land uses. The land uses plans are useful in declining areas with defining zoning. The selected lands for landfill must be based on zoning restriction. Land uses were divided to the residential, agricultural, industrial, and unused lands. Land type. Iran's Water and Soil Research Institute classify land types based on geology, morphology, and soil characteristic. The main land type is river alluvial plains, with land units 5.1, which is the A, 5.6, which is the B, and 5.8, which is the C, and 6.2 categorized based on their characteristic. Land units 5.1, 5.6, 5.8, and 6.2 are characterized by deep, heavy soil, low salt, and permeability, making them suitable for cultivation. Low salts and units 5.6 and 5.8 and 6.2 are considered barren land and sometimes used as temporary rangeland. So, for conclusion, in Iran, the selection of suitable landfill sites for new landfills is a complex issue due to environmental regulation, economic, and technical issues. A combination of GIS and AHF was used to consider factors such as sensitive ecosystem was calculated using the SOW method. Approximately 19% of the study area was suitable for landfilling, indicating restricted land for municipal solid waste landfill. Six sites were selected, indicating investigation and site visiting demonstrating the effectiveness of this method for preliminary screening. And here are the references. And that's all about. Thank you.